Welcome to Vision Expenses, applying a travel authorization to an existing expense report. The best way to tie a travel authorization to an expense report is to start the expense report directly from the travel authorization. However, Vision also allows you to tie a travel authorization to an existing expense report if the report has not been approved for payment or already been paid. It is important that you connect the two because the travel authorization creates an encumbrance or hold against the budget that is only released when it is applied to an expense report or canceled. Click on the Travel and Expense Self-Service tile on your Vision homepage. The Travel and Expense Self-Service Center opens, defaulted to the Create Modify Expense Report page. If you are an expense approver, your default page is your work list and you will need to expand the Expense Report menu and click on Create Modify an Expense Report. The page defaults to the Add a New Value tab. Click on the Find an Existing Value tab. If you know the report ID, you can enter it here, or you can search for it using your employee ID number. You will only be able to open expense reports in a pending status. The Modify Expense Report window displays. Expand the Actions menu. Select Associate Travel Authorization and click Go. A list of travel authorizations, approved travel authorizations opens. You can narrow the list by entering a range of dates and clicking on Search. Click the Select button next to the appropriate travel authorization. And then click Return. The travel authorization is now attached to the expense report. Note that none of the expense report lines are altered by attaching the travel authorization. If you need to detach the authorization, simply click on the Attach TA button. You are now ready to save the report for later or submit it for approval. To get help while working in Vision, visit our webpage at finance.vermont.gov for manuals, job aids, how-to guides, and more. If you can't find what you need there, email the help desk at vision.finhelpdesk@vermont.gov or call the help desk directly at 802-828-6700 and select option 2.